Hey everyone, welcome back to Cutting Through the Noise. Today we're talking Facebook marketing pixels, how to install it specifically using Google Tag Manager. So let's jump in. So here we are taking a look inside Facebook Business Manager. Again, the goal is to create a website pixel that when visitors to our website are on Facebook, whether it's the Facebook newsfeed, Instagram, or Facebook Marketplace, they're seeing our company's advertisements. So we're setting up the Pintler Group Facebook pixel. Let's get started. My first step is I'm continuing pixel setup, and I'm presented with two options, conversions or Facebook pixel. I'm going to select Facebook pixel. The step where I'm adding a partner integration, this is key because I'm actually going to be able to select Google Tag Manager and then log into my existing Google Tag Manager account. Instead of manually setting it up, which usually happens with Google Tag Manager, Facebook has made it extremely simple with this pixel integration tool. And it's connecting my accounts. I'm just going to select the Pintler Group account. Since we are, of course, a digital agency, we manage many different Google Tag Manager accounts, so we're selecting Pintler Group here. And without having to add tags or triggers in Google Tag Manager, Facebook integrates. I add my URL here, just kind of verify events, which might be a topic for another day. Hit next, and believe it or not, I'm all set up. So it's as simple as that. I've integrated the Facebook marketing pixel with my website through Google Tag Manager in those simple steps. All right, everybody, that's a wrap. If you have any questions about Facebook, marketing pixels, all things Google Tag Manager, feel free to reach out. team@pintlergroup.com. Leave a comment below, and we'll talk to you soon.